Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing something a little special. So it's graduating time. I want to make something that my child asked me for, Disney tsums, and I wanted to make him a lei. So follow me and see how I make this lei of tsums. So this is all the stuff that I got because I'm going to try and make a bouquet out of this stuff. And this was all from Dollar Tree, and no, I'm not sponsored. So I got like these little cute ones. So first I'm going to start off with these, and I'm going to go ahead and try and take the tags off, or see if I can fit the tags in with them. I think these I'm going to have to take the tags off, but let me try and do that. So I went ahead and I cut this seal wrap, and it's kind of like more than 8 inches just to fit these well. So let me see how I do. So I just got that and I wrapped it around this. I'm just going to go ahead and tape it down. All I'm doing is folding it over. So far, this is what I've got. So I just put them all together in a line. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my ribbon. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to start tying it up in all these sections. I'm going to get about this much. Okay, so all I did is that I did a double knot. And I'm going to do the same thing to these sides. So this is what I have. Now what I'm doing is that I'm grabbing it. Like so. I get my ribbon, and then all I'm going to do is tie it up. That's it. Now since it's going to be too short, I do need another one just to put the rest of the tsums in these. So I'm going to go ahead and cut another piece and do the exact same thing that I did on these. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing again. So I'm going to start from the top. As you see, this ends right here, so I'm going to put them like right there. Now I'm going to give a little bit of space. And I'm going to go ahead and put this other one a little bit of more space. I'm going to go ahead and put this one. A little bit more space, and then another symbol that I have gotten, my baby. You get one end, you fold it, so you're folding, and then you fold it again, you tape it. So now we have both of them. I did one with the soft ones and then one with the hard ones, and of course I did these two to match. So basically I did one at the sides where they're going to be either connected or not connected like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie these up together so I can go a little bit like that. And I'm gonna tie these two together as well. And then these two, literally the same thing put together. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get my scissors and I'm gonna carefully like try and make these curly. So I'm gonna get one of these that I also got at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out from here just to keep the design, and I'm gonna glue it on. So this is it, guys. I hot glued this so it can stick onto the lei. And so that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching me do this lei for my baby for graduation. It's simple, inexpensive, cute, everything again from Dollar Tree, $1.25. Not sponsored, something simple, quick, inexpensive, and very easy to do. It takes less than 30 minutes, and it's something that my baby wanted and requested, so that's why I got this, and luckily I found it at Dollar Tree. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at, and until next time, bye guys.